Easy there, little Yuffie. Should I take it from here? Well then, if you insist.
Look at you! Looks like you're recovering. What? I see you're getting even better at treating people now, Ruko.
How do you feel? Let me know if anything bothers you.
No need to be so polite. We castaways look after. Never turn your back on a comrade who needs help. This is one of the principles that Gopher Troop lives by.
Don't force it. I'm afraid your memories are up. But don't worry. I'm Ruko, and this is Euphoria and Cloar. Let us know if you have any questions. I'm sure you'll remember everything in no time.
Well, how should I put this? There was a small handful of people, and so we were called the Castaway by Crystallis Conflux, who worships the Dubriostal. They denounce—
If you ask me, though, Crystallis Conflux is nothing more than a bunch of bad apples. And I couldn't care less what they think. Unfortunately, you were badly injured in the disaster caused by Crystallis Conflux. But count yourself lucky, because we found you before it was too late. And surprise! Turns out
Gopher Troop is a secret society that saves castaways. We travel around as a troop to cover our identities. And we've gained
Let's save the rest of that for some other time.
Yuffie can never wait for a second. But truth be told, I'd very much like to see what you've got.
This is a brand new astrolabe.
Put your hand on it and see what your hidden power is. What? What is this?
Don't worry. We are here with you.
Yes, we will never turn our backs on our friends. How is that possible? It doesn't look like the fan.
Yep.
I've only heard of it too. When a castaway resonates with an astrolabe, they can enter their spiritual—
Yep.
I always thought it was some made-up story that they—
Except it. By the way, is it just me? Or finally noticed me, huh? Hello, Master. Allow me to help you awaken your power. Yep. I know I'm adorable, but time is of the essence. Hey! Don't jinx it! Call me Diathea. Master, without further ado, let the trials commence! 3 meters? Reminds me of Fantasyland. Don't worry, we've got your back.
Is there no one else? Eat this! Is there no one else? How about this?
You shall be judged! Winds of fate, hear me.
This is your final trial, Master. Unseal the ass, but of course, you have to ask for its permission. Watch out! Here it comes! We are at your command. That's a strong trace. Let's work together, team. Little Tigers, blessing!
Eat this! How about this? Time to show you what this lady can do!
Return to dust.
Don't be afraid!
Winds of fate, hear me.
What?
Yuffie! That move was amazing!
Your ability is amazing, Director!
It's true. Master, you have earned your right to this power. Now, hold out your hand and break the seal!
Thank you so much for restoring me to my proper form. For your silliness. That was easy. Seems like I did the right thing teleporting you here. Watch out! As for you guys, you are of no use to me anymore. Now, get out of my spiritual domain! It's just you and me now. Are you ready to serve me for the rest of eternity? The world out there is a mess. You should just surrender your body to me and stay in here. That was merely an accident. There is no way a human could ever hold me down. Yes, my child, come. Time to say goodbye to the outside world. Huh? So it was you! Damn it, EruthyII! Coming this far trying to keep this castaway safe! Huh? But is it really worth it?
Well then, you who bear the goddess's hope, show me what you've got. Don't get me wrong, I can't get out of here anyway, so let's call a truce. But this space isn't entirely safe now with such a weakling here. Well, I suppose it wouldn't hurt to lend you some more power. I, Diathea, bestow upon you the key ability. After all, this story would be much too boring with a protagonist so weak.
Did you mean that a golden butterfly called EruthyII saved your life? It can't be. Does she actually exist? EruthyII is the guardian goddess of the planet EruthyII. Except people don't revere the goddess anymore. Instead,
To hell with Crystallis Conflux. They're just a...
But anyway, if the legendary goddess herself came to save...
just a newbie who came this far with a lot of untold secrets.
Yuffie, that's no way to speak about our new...
So the chubby